Hey everyone! Today, we're learning how to trade options right on the TradeStation Mobile app. Let's jump in. Once we log in, tap the menu and select Options. Here, we can search for the stock or ETF we want to trade. Tap the Options chain. To view available calls and puts, we choose your strike price and expiration date based on our strategy. Tap the contract you want. Select Buy or Sell, input the number of contracts, set order type, the market or limit, and confirm. After execution, we can monitor a trade under the Positions tab. To close, tap the contract and select Close Position. That's it! Quick, simple, and mobile-friendly. Always remember to trade responsibly. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.